Feeling ko ROI na ako dito sa Instant Pot ko. Kahit di ko pa nagagamit lahat ng functions, yung natatry ko pa lang is of course yung lagi kong ginagamit, pressure cook, and then yung saute function, and yung yogurt. Di ko pa natatry yung sous vide, slow cook, or mag-bake. Pero yung pinaka main reason kung ba't ko to binili is the pressure cook function talaga. Because mahilig ako magluto ng sabaw. And pag naglaga ka ng karne, it takes a while, especially if beef. So, kalas sa gasol. Plus, kapuyan kung masigbantay ka ng maawas bitaw. But with the Instant Pot, once I close the lid and na-start ko na yung pressure cook button, I can do other things. Because it'll just make a sound if tapos na and if you need to release the pressure. And kahit late ako mag-start magluto, I'm confident na by lunchtime, tender na yung meat. Just like when I cooked this nilagang pata, nag-start ako magluto almost 11 na. I pressure cooked it for 25 minutes lang, but I still had to sear the meat and igisa yung panakot. Pero more or less, I was done in an hour, which is not bad talaga. If sa stove, maybe mga 2 hours, almost. If you want na tender talaga yung meat. Plus, pati init akong panahon mag-atubang pagkayo. Or kakapoy. So what I usually do is I sear the meat, and while that's cooking, I prep the veggies para walang sayang oras. By the time I'm done chopping, pwede na ako mag-isa ng panakot, and then I add all the veggies, except the greens of course. Pero sometimes, sinasama ko na yung sitaw sa pag-pressure cook. Especially if super late na talaga ako nag-start magluto. Titimplahan ko na rin yan para manuot sa meat. And then of course, water. And then from saute, I switch to pressure cook. Pag pork, mga 25 minutes, pwede na. Pag beef, mga 28 to 30. Pero depende rin kung gaano kalaki yung slices. Binalikan ko lang to when it was done. I released the pressure and tada! Malambot na yan lahat. Very jiggly. And then, tsaka ako nilagay yung sitaw. Let it cook for about 2 minutes before I added the cabbage. Yung lid sa karote ko yan na kaldero. Pero perfect fit siya dito sa Instant Pot. At this point, you can also adjust the taste. Once na-add na yung cabbage, 2 minutes max, tapos na yan. O diba? Very convenient. But one of these days, I'm gonna try the sous vide function. Pag makalawag-lawag, bibili ako ng steak. Sous vide ko before ko iluto sa stove. We'll see. Anyway, this was our lunch 2 days ago. Of course, kasama na dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yun na lang muna. Bye!